like stuff like that usually happen like just from dropping it? Or
No,
what?
you leave your phone on the charger when you go to sleep. On a combination of dropping it and this and that. But the main thing is leaving your phone on the charger when you go to sleep.
Yeah.
Using your phone to play games while it's charging. It's also bad. And being like this.
Yeah.
The moisture will get inside, do blah blah blah. Sometimes a drop of water would not kill it, but it will just make it worse and worse and worse and worse. Alright, so before I install it, I'm gonna let me dry this up. But I'm 1000% sure that it is, but just in case, I'm gonna test it. Okay?
Okay.
Just son of a. Alright. And then you said, because I got another one that's actually messed up too, but I think it's just a screen. How much for just a screen? The screen is also 85.
Okay.
Okay? Nice flush to see no. Like this guy was close to exploding. But yeah, I know the original ones, they never explode. They have this is what happens when to prevent the battery from exploding.
Right.
It's a safety mechanism to make it expand instead of exploding. Let me make sure this works. We got the same glitch of the green.